Hi, this is Kelley from Alpaca Direct, and I'm here looking at our Schweitzer hat. And it is a knit club project for this month, and you can see it here. It's the pattern. It's so awesome. This hat, here it is. Here's the finished project. It uses the lovely baby Alpaca Grande hand-dyed yarn by Plymouth, and this yarn is produced in Peru, and it's 100% baby alpaca. And I've paired it with Kenzie, and Kenzie is by Haiku or Schweitzer, and it is a blend of merino, angora, alpaca, and silk, plus a little nylon for longevity. So you can see it has a nice halo to it. And so what we have these two yarns that we're going to be using to make the hat, and then we've also included some nice Brittany cable needles. So when you're doing your extra large cables, you can use these cable needles. And the reason why there's 3 different cable needles is to accommodate the different gauges. So you'll be using the largest cable needle for the project that we're knitting this month. And this Schweitzer hat starts with a lovely cast on. It's the long tail cast on, but it's in purl one, knit one ribbing, so you get to learn a new skill. And then you get to create these extra large right leaning cables while you're knitting this lovely hat. And then when you get to the top, you get to use the Kitchener stitch to close up the top of your hat. And you can see the knit stitches just flow right through, and you can't even see where I've Kitchenered it together. So don't forget, as you're doing your project, to go ahead and check out our videos. And where can they be found, Jim?
On the Knit Club page.
Yes, on the Knit Club page. So don't forget to check out the videos before you create your hat, and I hope you enjoy this month's knitting club.